Well. Shazam! Okay. So that's how she's gonna look from the front when it's all said and done, right? I'm not sure about the silver screws. I had black in mind, but Murphy's Law, they're all I have that'll actually fit. I have a bottle of black ones, but they are too long to fit inside the captive nuts. They hit off the back of that when you screw in a vented blank. So anyway, so now what I gotta do is measure up and mark up here, all right, for exactly where I'm gonna mount these things and shit, you know, like here, you know, or in there, somewhere around here, you know. So I screw these onto the side, then I screw into them the cable clips I showed you. Then I can bring my cables, not XLRs obviously. Let's see over here. I can bring IEC leads straight into clips, strap them in, strap them all the way down, blah, 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 blah. Also, the network switch, the LAN switch, will be strapped down again with your clips and ties strapped down here with all of the ports facing outward. I'd say roughly in behind these guys, like right along there. And the PSU for the LAN switch will be strapped down in behind in the same fashion. Yeah. So now I just have to mark shit up. Maybe have to take a lot of this shit out in order to add the cabling and stuff. Not sure. Mightn't have to. Hope not. See how we go. Yeah. So that's her. Let's get another mug shot. Yeah. Tidy. So your power. Mic amps 1 through 8, 9 through 16, 17 through 24, ADDA converters, Dante output. Simple, simplify, minimal, but very powerful, very flexible, and it's going to sound the tits. Oh yeah.